Hey guys, this is Jared with Lightshine 3D Services. I just wanted to take a moment to show you some things I've been working on. I know some of you saw the pictures I posted of my DIY Lightbox to enable me to take better pictures of products. I just wanted to give you an update to that and tell you a little bit how I made it. So I just cut the foam board, pretty simple. It's not a very big box. You can see here it actually measures about 16 inches or so is the overall outside dimensions. And what I did, I just cut the foam board and then I ended up creating these 3D printed little connectors. But the coolest thing that I've got on this is my lighting system itself. I'm using the Philips Hue lights that connect with your internet through wireless. Basically, it's a little hub that goes into your router and allows you to control all your lights in your house with your smartphone or any lights that you have the Hue bulbs in. And so I had a whole bunch of these all throughout the house, so I decided to take a couple of them and set them to my lamps for my light box. And what it enables you to do is really cool here. As you can see my smartphone, I've pulled up the Hue app, and in real time I can actually dial in whatever kind of lighting that I want. So I can go from like a really, really warm light to a very white light to a blue, almost fluorescent light just by tapping on my phone app. So anyway, it's not a real expensive system. To get started with the system with the little hub that hooks to your router and a couple of bulbs, that's about $60. Now, I will warn you, once you get the first couple of lights, you'll go crazy buying more lights for your house. But if you just wanted to do this for this particular purpose, I can't see a better way to spend the money. You'd spend probably $60 or $70 for a good, complete Lightbox setup anyway, and for about the same amount, you can have this that does a lot more incredible things than just your standard lighting. So anyway, hopefully that gives you some ideas. Maybe that helps. If you have any questions, just holler at me. We'll catch you later.